Book of Heaven, Volume 12, April 2nd, 1917. The pains of the privation of Jesus are divine pains. I was lamenting to my always lovable Jesus about his usual privations, and was saying to him, "My love, what a continuous death! Each privation of you is a death that I feel, but such cruel and ruthless death that while it makes me feel the effects of death, it does not make me die. I have not understood how the goodness of your heart can endure, seeing me suffer so many continuous deaths, and then make me still continue to live." And blessed Jesus came for just a little, and pressing me to his heart, told me,
"My daughter, press yourself to my heart and draw life. But know, however, that the pain most satisfying, most pleasing, most powerful, that equals me the most and can stand before me, is the pain of my privation, because it is divine pain. You must know that souls are so bound with me as to form many links connected together within my humanity. And as souls become lost, they break these links, and I feel the pain as if one member were detaching itself from the other. Now, who can join these links for me? Who can weld them in such a way as to make the split disappear? Who can make them enter into me again, to give them life? The pain of my privation, because it is divine. My pain because of the loss of souls is divine. The pain of the soul who cannot see me, cannot feel me, is divine. And since both of them are divine pains, they can kiss each other, join together, stand before each other, and have such power as to take the souls unlinked and connect them in my humanity. My daughter, does my privation cost you much? And if it does cost you, do not keep as useless a pain of such great cost. As I give it to you as gift, do not keep it for yourself, but let it fly into the midst of the combatants, snatch souls from amid the bullets, and enclose them in me. And as the weld and seal, place your pain, and then let your pain go around through the whole world, to make it catch souls and bring them all back into me. So, as you feel the pains of my privation, you will keep placing the seal of the reconnection.